Bullish GMT value expectation is 32 cents to 66 cents. STEPN cost could likewise reach $2.50 soon. Bearish GMT cost expectation for 2023 is 66 cents. And STEPN cost expectation 2023. We use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about GMT to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. What is STEPN? STEPN is the administration badge of STEPN. STEPN is a transition to procure NFT game based on top of the Solana blockchain. This Web3 way of life application was made by the Australian firm Find Satoshi Labs and sent off in late 2021. STEPN utilizes a double symbolic model, green metaverse token and green Satoshi token. GMT fills in as the administration token while GST is utilized for buying the in-game components. For example, STEPN's well-known NFT shoes. Eminently, STEPN empowers clients to acquire cryptos for running, strolling, or running. STEPN Value Forecast 2023. STEPN stands firm on the 154th foothold on CoinGecko at the present time. GMT Cost Forecast 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. Plunging channel designs are momentary negative in that a stock maneuvers lower inside a slipping channel. However, they frequently structure inside longer-term upturns as continuation design. The sliding channel design is much of the time followed by more exorbitant costs, in any case, solely after a potential gain entrance of the upper pattern line. A plunging channel is drawn by interfacing the worst high points and worst low points of a security's cost with equal trend lines to show a descending pattern. Inside a plummeting channel, a dealer could make a selling bet when the security cost arrives at its opposition trend line. A climbing channel is something contrary to a diving channel. Both climbing and diving channels are essential channels followed by specialized examiners. As of now, STEPN is in the scope of 31 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of GMT could arrive at the obstruction levels of $2,840.31. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of GMT might tumble to 24 cents and 22 cents. STEPN backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and opposition levels of STEPN. From the above everyday time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels of STEPN. The diagrams show that STEPN has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, GMT could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 66 cents. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of STEPN could dive to nearly 22 cents, a negative sign. STEPN Value Forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of STEPN is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of GMT lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of STEPN is displayed in the graph above. Remarkably, STEPN cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, GMT has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of GMT whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record of the GMT is 46.63. This implies that STEPN is in a neither oversold nor overbought state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of GMT might happen in the impending days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. STEPN Value Forecast 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of STEPN. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. This pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of STEPN. At present, the ADX of GMT lies in the scope of 52.7919 and subsequently, it demonstrates major areas of strength for it. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall unpredictability record of STEPN. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of GMT lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of STEPN is at 46.63, consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of GMT with BTC, ATH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and STEPN. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of GMT is like BTC. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of GMT likewise increments or diminishes separately. STEPN Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while gauging costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should foresee the cost of STEPN between 2024 and 2030. STEPN value expectation 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, STEPN could likely achieve $4 by 2024. STEPN value expectation 2025. With a few overhauls in the organization, STEPN could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, GMT could energize to hit $6 by 2025. STEPN value forecast 2026. On the off chance that STEPN supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, GMT would energize to hit $8. STEPN value expectation 2027. If STEPN supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, GMT would energize to hit $10. If STEPN supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, GMT would revitalize to hit $12. STEPN value expectation 2029. STEPN holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, GMT would hit $14 in 2029. STEPN value expectation 2030. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on STEPN, it would observe significant spikes. GMT could hit $16 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the STEPN organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for GMT. Thus, the bullish value expectation of STEPN in 2023 is 66 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of STEPN cost expectation for 2023 is 22 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the STEPN biological system, the exhibition of GMT would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $4.11 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $2.50 assuming that the financial backers accept that GMT is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is STEPN? STEPN is the administration badge of the Web3 way of life application, STEPN. STEPN is a transition to procure NFT game that was sent off in August 2021. 2. Where could you at any point buy STEPN? STEPN has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Whitebit, Upbit, Gate.io, and KuCoin. 3. Will STEPN come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the STEPN stage, STEPN has a high chance of arriving